Today, we're diving into the world of comfortable road travel with the 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 22CF Motorhome. A clever blend of practicality and comfort, this motorhome delivers a balanced mix of convenience, value, and home-on-wheels comfort. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the crowded world of Class C RVs. As you step inside, you're greeted with a cozy and well-designed living area that blends functional utility with home-style comfort. The materials used throughout, from cabinetry to upholstery, are solid and practical. The living space includes an overhead bunk with a high weight capacity, recessed LED ceiling lights, and a comfortable dinette that doubles as a sleeping or relaxation area. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern conveniences: a 12-volt refrigerator, a 2-burner cooktop with flush cover, a convection microwave oven, and a stainless steel sink, making meal prep on the road easy. The bedroom area features a queen-size bed in the 22CF layout, offering decent comfort for overnight stays. The bathroom includes a shower with decorative surround, a stainless steel sink, and a foot-flush toilet, giving you essential comfort even when you're miles away from home. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 22CF motorhome is compact and easy to handle, yet practical for travel. With an overall length of about 24 feet 8 inches and a manageable width, it's more nimble than large coaches, making it easier to drive and park. The exterior comes with a standard electric patio awning, giving you a nice shaded outdoor space for relaxation when you stop. The chassis and build are designed for durability, with features like laminated walls, stronghold VBL, a roofable roof, and a 4,000-watt generator that ensures power when hookups aren't available. The RV also offers functional design for travel: sufficient water and wastewater tank capacities, storage space, and utility hookups designed for convenience on the go. When it comes to performance, or more accurately, driving and travel practicality, the 2026 Redhawk SE 22CF is powered by a Ford E350 chassis with a V8 engine, 7.3-liter in many configurations, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. That setup delivers a dependable, smooth ride when cruising highways or navigating campgrounds. Rubber isolation mounts help reduce road noise and vibration, making your drive more comfortable. Combined with features like stability control, power steering, and safety belts, it's engineered to make longer journeys less tiring and more enjoyable. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 22CF motorhome starts at around US $132,218, a mid-range price for a Class C motorhome that offers a practical balance of comfort, quality, and travel-friendly design. It's not ultra-luxury, but it provides solid value for what you get: a fully equipped, ready-to-travel motorhome suitable for families, couples, or solo travelers wanting flexibility and convenience on the road. To sum up, the 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 22CF motorhome is a smart blend of practicality, comfort, and travel-ready design. It offers a level of convenience and flexibility that makes it an appealing choice for those looking to explore the open road without the bulk or expense of a large luxury RV. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or weekend getaways, the Redhawk SE delivers on reliability and ease of use. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in RV and camper living excellence.